Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can select all items on Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a design on my Canva and I'm going to select all these items on my design and I'm going to show you how we can do it. If you want to select all items, you just need to select it like this. You can use your touchpad or cursor to select them all. Okay, and now all my items have been selected, and you can log in the items or maybe duplicate it or make it as a group. And I'm going to make it as a group like this, and this is the result. Okay, and once you're ready to save your design, you just need to click on the share button, or you can continue the editing on Canva. Okay guys, and that's all the way to select all items on Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.